Are you facing unexpected restarts on your iPhone? This common issue can be frustrating. In this video, we'll explore 8 effective solutions to help you tackle this problem head-on. Step 1. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often fix minor glitches. Just power off your device and turn it back on. This quick step clears temporary issues. Step 2. Update iOS check for any available updates. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. Keeping your iPhone updated ensures you have the latest bug fixes and enhancements. Step 3. Uninstall problematic apps. If the problem started after installing a particular app, it might be the culprit. Identify the app, uninstall it, and monitor your iPhone's performance. Step 6. Restore with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to a computer and use iTunes to restore your device to factory settings. This can resolve deeper software issues that a simple restart can't fix. Step 7. Check battery health. Navigate to Settings, then Battery Health. If your battery needs replacing, this could be the reason for those unexpected restarts. Step 8. Monitor device temperature. Ensure your iPhone isn't overheating. High temperatures can lead to performance issues and automatic restarts. Keep it in a cool environment while using it. By following these steps, you can significantly improve your iPhone's performance and eliminate those frustrating restarts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions. Let's dive in and resolve these issues together.